Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet and Crafts. In my today's video, I will show you how to make single crochet using crochet hook. Remember, single crochet is abbreviated as SC in the crochet patterns. So it means in any crochet patterns, if you see SC, you will understand that this is referring to single crochet. So let's start. If you like my video, then please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Alright, so to begin with, we need a yarn and a crochet hook. So here I am using a 4-ply acrylic yarn and a 2.5 mm crochet hook. Alright, so first we will start with a slip knot and few chains. Okay, so if you feel that I'm running a bit faster on the chain part, in that case you can visit my tutorial video on the chains in this channel, and I will also provide the link in the description box as well. All right, so I'm making few chains. 4, 5, 6. So I will make few more chains and then I will come back. All right, so I have made a couple of more chains. Okay, now I will move on to the single crochet. Okay, so now make sure if you are starting a project with chains and then single crochet, in that case always keep in mind that you will start your single crochet from the second hook. So you will skip the first one. So here you see this one is the first chain, okay, that we will skip and we will start from the second one. And I want to mention one more thing over here. For each of the chains we have 3 strands. All right, so let's say for the second chain, this is the first strand, okay, strand 1, and now if I just flip it at the back side, this is the second strand. All right, and here at the bottom part of the chain, this is the third strand. Okay, so sometimes we have to work on the second strand also, but in most of the cases we work on the first strand. Okay, so I will start with the single crochet now. So insert the hook into the first strand of the second chain, yarn over. So put the yarn like this, okay, underneath the hook, not overneath. Okay, so put the yarn like this. Now pull it through this loop and see, now we have 2 loops in the hook. All right, again put the yarn over and pull the hook through both the loops. Okay, so this is our single crochet 1. Okay, first single crochet. Now we will move on to the second. So we will repeat same thing in the third chain. Okay, so insert the crochet hook, yarn over, pull it through, again yarn over, pull it through both the loops. I'll make another one in the next stitch. Insert the crochet hook, yarn over, pull the hook. We have 2 loops now, yarn over and pull it through both the loops. So this way I will complete till the end. Okay, so I will make 2 more. Okay, so insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through. We have 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. The last one, insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through both the loops. All right, so this is how the single crochet will look like. This is from the back side and this is from the front side.